Welcome back to my kitchen, and today I am going to show you how to make plum, grapes, kiwi, apple and cucumber juice. I'm about to start. I'm just gonna wash my cucumber. Just washing my cucumber. And I'm just gonna slice up my cucumber. And I'm going to wash my apple. Give my cutting board a wash. And I'm going to slice up my apple. I'm going to remove the seeds from apple. And I'm going to put all my fruits in my blender. My kiwi is already washed. My plum is already washed. And my grape is already washed. My apple is also washed. And I'm just gonna add some water to cover all my fruits. You don't need a lot of water, as I already told you. Just enough water to cover the fruits, because you do not want to kill the flavor. This juice is natural healthy juice, so when you are drinking this juice, you need to taste all the flavor from the fruits and everything. So we don't need a lot of water. I'm just going to switch my blender. Blend for long. About a minute is okay. So I'm going to stop my blender now because all blend. And I am going to strain my juice. Just give my hands a wash. And dry. Make sure everywhere is clean. I like my kitchen to be clean. I like my work areas to be clean. It's all about healthy. So I am going to strain my juice. Wow, juice is coming out nicely. This is what I like. All ingredients, all fruit combined together very well, and it is looking very good, and it is looking also healthy. I'm just going to strain my juice one more time just to make sure all the bits are out. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of honey to my juice just for finishing taste, you know, just to bring the flavor out. Oh, that's looking good. Wow, that is looking good. I'm just gonna pour some in my glass and then I'm just gonna have a taste to see what it tastes like. Very delicious. Very, very good. It's absolutely lovely. Wow. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share to my channel. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. I'm out. Bye.